So hello everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. So after a long time we are back guys. Today we are going to solve another interview problem. Maybe, may not be, it is not showing any like which companies have asked this problem. So the problem name is product sales analysis 3. We have two tables. One is sales table and another one is product table. So basically in product table there will be unique product IDs with the names, and what we have to find out is basically we have to find out which product its first year of selling, means in which year it first sold, and in what quantity it sold. Basically we have to find the details of the selling of the first year, like in its first year selling period, how much it sold, whatever the details are present in sales table. Okay, so as we can understand from this one, we have to find first year for product ID. So what we will do, like we will make one data frame, product wise year. So we'll take the sales table, we'll group by, basically we'll group by product ID. Okay, we are not taking all the columns from sales table. We will basically take product ID and year, because we want these two columns. So we'll use year and minimum of year, right? Okay, so we'll return product wise year. So basically what it will do, it will return us the first year for product. Okay, it is not return data frame. So let us try it another time. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, so it will return us each product and its first year of selling. You can see 100 2008 and 200 2011. So basically 100, this product sold for the first time in 2008 and sold for the second time. Whatever is there, we do not need anything because we need only first. Then what we will do, we'll take data frame as out. We will take the sales table that merge. We will merge with product wise year. So basically we'll mention the joining columns on which we are joining. So we'll basically take out the product ID and year combinedly, and write on also same thing, because if we are joining with only single year, there might be same product present in that year which might not be its first year. So we are basically doing this one, and if we will return this out, by default it will do inner join, so we don't have to worry about anything. Even if it will do left join also, there is no problem. So we are getting this one, sale ID, product ID, year, quantity and price. Basically we need these four columns. So we will take what we will take product ID, year, quantity and price. Okay, so basically we are taking this one right now, and in the output table, to match its output, as you can see, we need to rename this to first year. So we'll do the renaming part also. We'll pass one dictionary as the old column and as the new column. Okay, then we don't need to pass anything. We will pass x is equal to 1. Actually, it might get the key error if it search x is equal to 0. So our result is accepted, and we'll submit this one. Okay, it is showing 829 ms. So basically, if we'll see my previous submission. Okay, so if we'll go to all submission, you can see this one I tried like in SQL server, which is, so this is the like 7 minutes ago I tried this one. So this is like 578 ms. So I don't know why it took this much time this time, but okay, let us see. We'll try again, and you can see the time improved. So I don't know on what basis it is calculating the time, but yeah, this is the solution. Hope you guys found this helpful, and the analysis and the approach, you understood what is the approach. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video also, so that it will help you to channel grow. I'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.